TOPZKINS here, and today I am gonna rebuild Manchester United. I mean, not rebuild because they already have a good squad, but I'm gonna take them to the Champions League final and win it. So here we go. By the way, guys, like and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Switch on the notification so I never miss a video. So yeah, here we go. By the way, guys, so ISO speed got really, like, I don't know, has like a chronic headache. Just pray for him, guys. I mean, if you watch the videos, you know that he literally was crying in all of them, and man, he made us laugh so many times. So yeah, we'll have to pray for him. Just this video is dedicated to ISO speed, and
a warm welcome to you all. Without further delay, we are pleased to introduce.
Yeah, this video, guys, is dedicated to ISO speed. So yeah. By the way, guys, soon I'm gonna do word. Well, basically, it will be me, Steven, and Jake, but with my sister, Clara, who is Steven's sister, and Jake's brother, Jamie. So yeah, stay tuned for that, as it's gonna be start soon. When we get the chance, and in the future I'll give you some updates. Oh, this glitch is gonna start. Let me just charge my controller. So yeah, so I think we have a pretty good team. I think United have one of the best teams in the Premier League. So yeah, wait, what is it? A charge? I'll keep this dude, leave this dude, leave this dude, and that will keep these two because they have good potential. Alright, let's see. Ooh, I think it'll be a good as center mid. Never mind, let's just do him right mid. And Oliver Hope from Australia. Alright, so let's look at the squad, and to be fair, it's not bad at all. Actually, it's not bad at all. But maybe it needs some improving here and there. But as you can see, it's really good. Now we're gonna rebuild it with Højlund in the team too. So yeah. I think all I'm gonna do this season is just do the squad. Boom. I should play this season with this team, like, and so guys, because I have this glitch, see, because like the PlayStation button. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna start simming and I'm gonna see where we're gonna end up. Well, I'll go to some development schedule. Wait a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna do some development schedules, and I can see you in January. Alright, so guys, we made it to January, and everything was good, as you can see. Yeah. So we switched him around. That he actually went up. Novak went up like +5 in half a season. Alright, so let's see the team. Yeah, Hoyland up to a 75, Anthony 84, Fernand. Yeah, the players are growing already. Well, man, it makes me like I played the game many times already. Ooh, so this is actually good. If we beat Liverpool or at least get a point in it, we'll match City. That's actually really good. If we continue like that, we can even beat City. Alright, so we play Watford in round 3. The Carabao Cup, where did we lose? 2-1 to City. And then the oh wait, no, we weren't in the Champions League, we were in the Europa League. And we topped our group on goal difference. Yeah. Wait, what? How did we end up getting first? Should it not 4-goal differential? Or is it because, I think it's because of the goals. And then it goes, no, I don't know, I'm not gonna question them. But all I know is that we're continuing like easily. I think though, this now Martinez went up, is really going really high rated. I don't think we have to improve anywhere. The team is already good as it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna send till May 22nd, and see you guys in May in 3, 2, 1. The end of the season, and we won the Premier League. Let's go by 1 point. That's really good. In the FA Cup, why did I say like that? Where do we lose? Oh, we lost in round 4. And in the Europa League, what did we lose? We beat Ajax 2-0. So, and then we lost against Inter. Difference not bad. We won the Premier League first season. Now I think we're next season is gonna be Champions League. So yeah, probably the problem was that what's it called? Varane was injured, so he the defense was like we had Lindelof playing. So Lindelof is still good, with all due respect. Alright, so I'm just gonna sit till to the next season and see you in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so guys, I know what happened, but it's caught. Yeah, so I'm gonna say, by the way, we're in the community shield against Arsenal. I had a feeling it was gonna be Arsenal. But yeah, I don't think the squad needs any reinforcements. And I found this like our Archie guy who could be, yeah, I'm gonna sign him and yeah. Let's see, I want him at least to be like a 75. If he's a 75, it will be really good because he will be like a youngster. Now, I'm not gonna sell Mount. Maybe sell him like if he like stops growing and sign like another player. But I think Mount should be what? Oh, Prover. I was just thinking of signing him. I don't even care. He won't even make it into the squad now. So I'm just gonna, sim to January. So guys, until I sim to January, I'm gonna make this trailer of world that I'm gonna do. I think I already told you. It's gonna be a world where yeah, yeah, I already told it the first part of the video. So yeah, basically in it's gonna be Minecraft, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the trailer. You guys have fun watching it. Norris, Arsenal, and Enzo Fernandez. Alright, finally. So yeah. Let's check who Casemiro up to a 91, Rashford 90, Fernandez 89. Yeah, the team is going solid. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, let's see how we are doing like in the league and stuff. So in the Premier, so we are in the semi-finals of the Carabao Cup, which is good. In the Community Shield we lost it 2-0. We are first, that's good. What? Damn, Tottenham. Yes, I call them Tottenham. They have 6 draws and only 1 loss. And that's what keep it. We're actually beating them on goal differential. Is that how to say goal different? The French. No one just leave it. Anyway, in the Champions League, we came first, and we are facing Lazio for the first leg. So yeah, wish us luck. I think that's not gonna be an easy opponent, but not like Manchester City. So see you in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we made it to the round of 16. Yeah, the team is looking good. Hopefully we start the leg with a good result. Anyway, so yeah, I know how. Man, I don't know. I just updated this and then started all over again. Anyway, let's go. We get a win. Oh man, they scored in the first second. In the first second, they scored. Casale, man. How did they score in the first second, man? The first minute, sorry. They scored in the first minute, and it stayed like that for the whole game. We're in February. I mean, I don't know what's happening. We have one of the best squads. You know what? I'm gonna try something that a lot of people will hate me for. Yeah, I'm gonna try and play Rashford striker and Sancho left wing. I'm gonna give Sancho a chance to prove his point. Hopefully he can help us restore our victories, because we are doing really bad. So let's just wish us luck. Alright guys, we are facing Barcelona. You know, it's gonna be hard, but if we put our Anthony is injured, this doesn't actually never will help. I'm gonna play Martial. I hate when players get injured. I'm gonna give Manu a chance. Kobe Manu, you are entering the squad on this bench. Come on, hopefully Martial can actually still help us. Oh, we're playing at Old Trafford for the first leg. They have a good team. They actually have a good team. And the first leg, oh, we beat them 2-1. I'm not gonna celebrate, but we got our home advantage. Now I want to make sure that they don't get their home advantage, because that basically ruins us. I mean, we'll have this game against Everton, then, you know. Are you serious? But every time, they're like lowering the thing. Anyway, what score do we get against Everton? Ooh, 2-2. I don't think that's really nice. But anyway, so this is one of the biggest moments in like my career of rebuilding. Now I rebuilt 1860 Munchen, I rebuilt United one like not long ago without any transfers. I rebuilt many more like Tottenham and stuff. So yeah, will we beat them in the El Libertador? Come on! Yes, we still beat them, and Rashford and Mount secure us to the semi-final. We smashed them 5-1. I can't believe we smashed them 5-1, man. Okay, so Atletico Madrid beating Spurs beat them. I think it's gonna be between either Leverkusen or City. I have a feeling. Hopefully Leverkusen actually do a comeback, but I don't want to face City. I'm scared from City. So I'm just gonna cement it and catch you when, you know, that time. Alright, we're in the second leg. I tend to change it as you know, I changed that in the squad. Hopefully we can actually beat Lazio. I got Rashford on top and Sancho left wing. We will beat Lazio. Yes! We beat them on pens! Let's go! We're continuing to the quarter-finals. That's what we need. We need courage, we need talent in the squad. Damn. Barcelona demolished or are demolishing RB Leipzig. Yeah. Napoli beating Spurs, Leverkusen beating Milan, and Atletico beating Inter. That's really interesting, you know. Alright, I wanna sim and I wanna see who we're gonna play. I'm gonna sim to like 20 seconds, so see you guys when we arrive to the quarterfinal first leg. Alright, yeah, I knew it. We're gonna face City in the Champions League semi-final. I mean, this is pressure because we have such a good team, but even they have a really good team. And they're not gonna let us, although we beat them in the Prem, I think they're gonna try times 10 harder to like not let us win. Anthony's back, that's good. So come on. You know what? I think this team is capable of lifting the Champions League, but FIFA can make life hard. We're facing them at Etihad first, so let's see the score. First leg we beat them 3-1. First leg they had the home advantage, we beat them 3-1. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is just crazy. Now we have the home advantage and we cannot screw it up. We cannot screw it up. We have one of the best teams in the world, and hear me, in the world. We cannot screw this up. We'll just do it, you see, we'll still beat them. Will we win? Wait. This is really hard. We beat them 3-1, like we did in Barca. Well, okay, will we make it to the final? Can we make it to the final? I just don't know. I don't know. Shaw suspended. They have a team, but let's see. We're beating them 3-1. Yes. Will we beat them to the final? Yes! We are going to the final! We have made it to the Champions League final! Ah, this is such good team, such good. And we're facing Real Madrid. It's going to be Manchester United versus Real Madrid in the Champions League final. In 2 seasons without any transfers, actually, guys. Remember, I bought nobody. While Hoyland, I didn't buy him. I put him in the squad. But yeah, we basically didn't buy anybody. And this team is insane. We have Shaw, we have Dalot, we have Varane. Basically, the OGs of this club, Rashford, Sancho, well, Sancho isn't that of an OG. Look, Rashford, Shaw, Dalot, can call him OG. Who else? Martial, Lindelof, Henderson. These players have the chance to win a Champions League, man. Hopefully it actually happens in real life, but yeah, it's hard. Anyway, I'm gonna send to the final. See you in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna risk this. Now, usually I play world class, but I'm gonna put it legendary. Alright, legendary. Just to test my heights. This is just let's see who's the top scorer this season. Rashford 33 goals and Bruno with 22 goals and 17 assists. Bruno deserved those +2. This team we built is crazy, man. Woo. So basically the Premier League, we win the Premier League. And, sorry, the FA Cup, City win it, yeah, City beat us. In the Carabao Cup, City beat us as well. So can we win the double? We're playing at the Metropolitano. What? Nah, the Premier League got like 180 million. The Civitas Metropolitano is where we are going to play against this Real Madrid team. Valverde, Vinicius, Brahim, Verts, Bellingham, Chouamani, Rudiger, Mendy, De Vrij, Courtois, and Walker, all in the same team, man. You know what? I played, but I think I can win this. I think United. I mean, I'm not gonna just give it up right now. After all of this, I mean, this is gonna be pretty hard to record. Sorry, to edit. And I don't want to make it hard on myself, so there you go. That's just amazing. I haven't been in a Champions League final. Look at this. They're coming now. just somebody steals the cup. Yeah, even Casemiro.
Taking on his old club, but can bring with it a few complications.
Well, for some reason, playing against your old club...
But look at Varane and Martinez. You know what, I'm just gonna skip this. Alright, the game has started.
We're about to find out which team
Ooh,
is the best.
Anthony is already starting through. Anthony's through! Oh my god! Can we score? Yes! We scored in the first minute! Oh my god! Anthony is running through the fence! Oh my god! That's crazy! Oh my god, look at him! Anthony is just speeding, man! He just slips it. The keeper didn't even touch it. Oh my god. Courtois didn't even get there. And it's 1-0 for Manchester United. And you saw me, it's legendary. Yeah. Alright, they're attacking now.
Vinicius Junior.
Oh.
Vinicius Junior.
Oh, no. Oh, good save. No. Oh, what a save. Oh, no, saved us there. And it's Mount. Yeah. That's a guy. Yeah, has to be a yellow. Oh my god.
So we have an early booking here.
And it's Mount. Good interception.
All the players out there, he's not going to take any messing about here.
Bellingham is with Vinicius Junior. Now options are plenty. Lovely ambience.
Oh, good block. And now it's Rashford. Rashford, can Sancho get there? Walker is a good... No. Oh my god. Good tackle. No! What a save! Another one! Oh my god, no! Just gets in the way of the shot. That's Casemiro. No! Man, Real Madrid are attacking. We have to attack, Oh, Sancho, come on Sancho. Walker's just too good. Has the strength, pace, he's the perfect right back. Oh, Casemiro with that floor of verts is just stacking him. That's what he's, that's a bad pass. Oh, it's another save. It's another save from Andre Onana. Whoa! Good. No. Oh, man, we're doing mistakes. We have to wake up. That was a bad mistake. No, good save. Oh, there you go. Man, they're just attacking a lot. Oh, now it's Sancho on the ball. Sancho, Shaw behind him. It's a cross, and it's Bruno who's in the middle, but couldn't get there. Mount, ooh. Luckily that was Varane. It's Fernandez, it's Rashford, Mount, scores another one! 2-0 in the Champions League final! Oh my god, it's Mount! It's inside the wall from Anthony, and now it's Mason Mount. Oh my.
This any better. What a
Mason Mount.
That's an excellent
Man, that's why he's the best. That's why it was one of the best things that United did. Mason Mount. Alright, it's Dallo. Oh, that loses the ball there. And it's a good tackle from Varane. Ooh, nice dribbling from Dallo. And this now Martinez with the ball. Like he's pretty short. Oh no, that was a bad pass. Martinez now in the attack. What is he doing? Casemiro takes his spot. I'm just trying. Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna try and block the shot. What was Vinicius trying? Oh. Oh, and the Rashford. Oh, nice spin. And the Rashford to Bruno. Oh, I should pass it back to Rashford. Oh, now Vinicius is through. Ah, no. What a save. Another one. Another save. It's 36 minutes. 36 minutes have passed. Goal from Varane. And it's now Shaw's turn. Roberto Carlos. Roberto Carlos is speeding. Valverde can't catch up with him. And Shaw switches. Oh my god. And it's a cross. But a weak cross. And Dallo. Oh, that. I tried something there, but made it into a mistake. Which you can't try. You have to be. Oh, Casemiro there.
There it is. United had most of the ball, and as a result have dominated the game. Some of their passing movements have been a joy to watch, and I don't think anything's going to change that.
Oh, it's Sancho. Oh, it's Mount. Mount across. I said that like a bicycle. Alright, it's on that last ball. Back to Martinez. Oh, it's Mount. Oh, Sancho's through. Oh, it's Fernandez. I can't. Rashford score, no. Wait, I'm gonna try. Oh, I tried something there. Cause you know, could have scored an amazing goal. Alright, in half time we are 2-0 up. But this game, you can't even cut out from it because it's all like good play. We're all attacking, so. No, I don't bring Højlund on, but for. Should I? You know what? I don't bring him on for Sancho. And I want to try and actually play Højlund in the final. To see, I think Rashford has more pace, but definitely has more pace than Sancho, so makes sense. Let's now, sure, what a mistake. But oh my god, that's a good challenge. When I sent him flying, did you see that there? I sent him flying. Good from Dallo. It's Brahim. Oh, it's offside. So we have made it 50, almost 15. Oh no! After all 50 minutes with a clean sheet, can we continue? No, no, no. I could have given away a penalty there. No, Verts! What a good save! My online was just a bit like pulling saves off, like he did for Inter in the final of this year. Well, last year actually. Oh, with Inter. Oh my god! Oh, like, is this prime Courtois, who basically saved like every save in like the final against, I think it was Liverpool. Who didn't even let it? Oh, and it's now Rashford on the counter attack. Rashford passing it to Anthony. Anthony can't hit it. No, he can't. They have a good defense. That's what they have.
Valverde. On to Almiron.
Now it's Patrick Schick here. Shoots, but oh no, that's it. Oh, that's a foul. Oh, but Anton, oh, that's a red card. Oh, you have to give her a red card. He nearly tackled. He got mad, man. Oh, whoa, man, I was destroying him. And now it's Anthony. Oh, header would have been nice.
And into the last 30 minutes now.
Coach. Oh, what a clear. And now it's Rasmus Højlund fancies his chances. Oh, Vinicius. What a block. No. They save. Oh, Onana. Man, Onana is the man of the match. Already, man. I can tell that he's the man of the match out of all the players. And now it's Fernandes. Fernandes passing it to Anthony. And now it's Rashford. And Rashford, he shoots. Oh, it's a good save. I should have run more forward. No, I'm gonna try and get it on like this. Oh, ooh, what a save. Oh, now it's Shorts there to get in the corner. And it's Martinez. I'll try. Oh. Ooh, what's the... That was Bruno. If that wasn't offside, that would have been... Yeah, he was definitely offside. Oh. It's so easy. You know what? I'm feeling good. Oh, he's holding me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Onana with the skills. I'm not gonna risk it, but Onana had the skills. Come on, you can do it. Oh, no. And it's Fernandes. Oh, and it's a cross. Rashford. Oh, great defending from Real. Man, this was just insane. I think I should have shot in immediately with Bruno. No, it's Mount. Man, they're blocking me. Oh, nice. Oh, the Anthony now. They just... What a cross! What a cross! With the, like, curl. Oh, Martinez wins it again. It's Højlund! Dribbling! But Anthony still wins it, man. It's Højlund! That was weak,
Well, it's an easy save for the keeper. It wasn't the best option, that's for sure.
Man, it's another with the ball again. What are they doing? They're just panicking now. Oh my god, the dribbling. Bicycle kick, Højlund. That was the weakest bicycle kick I've ever seen. I'm just having fun at this point.
Promising looking.
Oh, that one there here. What a save! Just amazing! Amazing from Onana.
Well, Real Madrid are going
Well,
to make the change now.
Oh, the mistake.
It wasn't a million miles
That was
away.
close.
They need to take one of these chances.
No. No. It's Rashford on the counter-attack. Oh, that's true. Ah!
Good defensive
Walker, man, is still one of the best right backs. But Walker is the most underrated right back ever.
additional
I look should be like a 92 rated. And the last 1 minute. The last 1 minute. 30 seconds, come on. 10 seconds. And there we go. We win the Champions League. Ah, no, I was panicking so much when the game started. Let's go! Man United are the best club in Europe. In Europe, man. Happy on! Just enjoy the celebrations, guys.
Well, there's some tired players out there. Can be sure they'll find something to play with and add to the trophy.
Oh, come on, guys. Oh, yeah! Let's go! Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for the world, and peace.